ओ दादा, एक पीस के लिए कितना है ऐसा? एक पीस
10 रुपये,
क्या?
10 रुपये,
10 रुपया, अभी 3 रुपया बोला।
10 रुपया, 3 रुपया नहीं, खाजा को 3 रुपया नहीं है। 10 रुपीज बोला, 10 रुपीज।
एक पीस दे दो, देख लेते हैं।
इसमें हाथ में खाएंगे ना,
हाथ में खाएंगे कुछ।
Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to the Shining Traveler channel. Today I am in ancient India's greatest architectural beauty and holy religious spot, that is none other than Puri. Puri is one among Chardhams, as you all know, that is Dwarka, Badrinath and Rameshwaram. I just got down in Puri bus stand and now I am moving towards temple. So let's go. Let's ask about route.
Jagannath मंदिर हो straight. हाँ হয়, thank you.
You can see petty shops and you can see the people who are serving breakfast. It's so nice. Oh, you can see the dogs. You can find dogs also. Just before some seconds, I just inquired with the cycle rickshaw regarding travel. They said that you need to give 50 rupees. So I denied because it's just showing 1 kilometer. Why should I pay 50 rupees? So I can walk. I'm so strong. You can see the Gopuram from far side. Puri temple is built by a king whose name is Antavarma Jodhaganga. He belongs to Eastern Ganga dynasty. This temple has three main deities, that is Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. As you well know that it's very famous for Rath Yatra, that during July three deities are kept in big chariots and millions of devotees take part in this occasion. So one more thing that we all know, it looks white, that is why this particular temple is called White Pagoda, whereas Black Pagoda means Sun Temple, Konark. Oh, we are not supposed to take camera inside, so we have to keep here. Look at the gopuram of the temple, that is black color, and you can find some of the street vendors who are selling sweets and all. Oops, let's have some buttermilk. It's so sour and spicy, everything is mixed. Today is Saturday, that is why you can find large crowd, and tomorrow is Sunday, temple will remain closed, so that's why this crowd. Hi.
जय जगन्नाथ.
Look at here, they are selling a sweet called Kaja, so let's taste that.
अच्छा, कितना है इसको? बहुत ज़्यादा। एक पीस के लिए कितना है ऐसा एक पीस?
10 रुपये,
क्या?
10 रुपये,
10 रुपया, अभी 3 रुपया बोला।
10 रुपया, 3 रुपया नहीं, खाजा को 3 रुपया नहीं है, 10 रुपीज़ बोला, 10 रुपीज़।
एक पीस दे दो, देख लेते हैं।
इसमें हाथ में खाएंगे ना,
हाथ में खाएंगे कुछ।
भगवान जगन्नाथ के साथ दर्शन हुआ है। मैं अगली बार आया था, दर्शन नहीं कर सकता किया था और बहुत मैं खुश नहीं था। अब मैं दर्शन करके बहुत खुश हूँ कि भगवान जगन्नाथ को मैं दर्शन इस बार कर रहा।
अच्छा लग रहा है। जय जगन्नाथ।
जय जगन्नाथ।
You can see the different kind of toffees, sweets, and also you can find toys and there's rings and stone things and all. Inside the temple, camera is not allowed, so that's why we need to cover everything from outside only. So you can find the gopuras, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gopuras. How does it look? So colorful it is, right? One more thing I forgot to mention, that is Mahaprasad or the Bhog Mahaprasad of Puri temple, so which is very famous here, and you can get it from the shops which are inside the temple. So with this I'm ending this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.